Hi, today's experiment is called Eggy Emulsion. For this, you'll need an electric whisk, 10 to 30 milliliters of oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar, an egg yolk, salt and pepper, and a mixing bowl. You'll also need an adult to supervise. Take your egg and divide the egg yolk from the egg white. Put your egg yolk into your bowl. Add 1/4 cup of vinegar. Then add some salt and pepper. This is where you need your adult. You're going to turn the blender on low and mix. While you're mixing, slowly add the oil. Continue mixing until you have an eggy emulsion.